everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. So today I'm gonna show you this papaya fruit facial. So let's get started into the video. Okay, first of all take a papaya and take on that one slice. Okay, we need one slice only in our face and neck. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Never miss another update video. So let's get started. Okay, take a slice on the papaya. Okay, and make a small pieces, cut into small pieces. Okay, like so. Okay, now take an empty bowl, pour on the slices on that bowl, and then refrigerate 10 minutes. Okay, we need cool papaya slices. Okay, now 10 minutes over. Take out the papaya. Cleansing after procedure, scrubbing your face. Okay, now take a fork and smash it well. Okay, make a paste on that papaya. Any facial has 4 procedures. First of all, cleansing, next scrubbing, next moisturizing and face pack. Okay, this is for only cleansing with papaya. Okay, if you don't have too much of time this smashing, so you can grind it well also. Okay, that is the best procedure to paste it well. Okay, now take out the peel. Take an empty bowl and leave a side of that peel. We need that also. Okay, now this paste divided into 3 equal parts. Okay, take an 2 empty bowls, another empty bowls, and divided into 3 equal parts that paste. Okay, first bowl is peel and second, third, fourth is paste. Okay, papaya paste. Please like my videos, guys. Okay, now first take the peel of the papaya. Okay, and pour it in an empty bowl and take a rose water 1 spoon and take honey 1 spoon. Okay, now add on the 2 ingredients, 1 spoon, 1 spoon. Okay, now mix it well and cleansing on your face. Okay, this is the cleanser, papaya cleanser. So now apply on your face and neck with circle motions. Okay, like so. Now cleansing your face for 5 minutes with this papaya feel. Okay, wear old clothes only, don't wear new clothes, okay, for any facials or scrubs you are doing. Okay, now the cleansing completed. Okay, I am using this Tulips wet wipes for clean my face. Okay, if you don't have wipes on your home, okay, so don't worry, okay, you can clean with water only, okay, cold water. So okay, after that cleansing any facial, next procedure is scrubbing. This video for only papaya scrubbing. So now now take 1 spoon of papaya paste and 1 spoon of sugar, add on it and mix it well. Okay, now scrub on your face and neck also, okay, like so. Papaya has very good for health, okay, antioxidants are also very high level in this fruit. So we can use papaya fruit facial or papaya scrub, moisturizing face pack, any of this, okay, for glowing skin. So if you want to glowing and wrinkleless skin, please do this procedure. Okay, this is the scrub. Don't rub on your under eye area, that is very sensitive area, so you have only like that dabbing motions, okay. If you have very sensitive skin, so you only scrub for only 2 minutes, okay, otherwise you have do this 5 minutes also, okay. Now 5 minutes completed after wiping my face. Okay, now see the result of my face. So this is very glowing and freshy feeling. Okay, if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, please subscribe my channel, guys. Good procedure to facial. Okay, now take a papaya paste and add into the half spoon of lemon juice. Now mix it well and apply on your face and neck. Okay, this will helps you moisturize your skin and also removes dead cells and blackness, dark spots, okay. Okay, apply this paste with circular motions like so. Okay, this will helps you increase the blood circulation also. Okay, in this papaya paste we added lemon juice. So okay, the papaya and lemon juice has C vitamin and antioxidants, anti-aging properties. So you feeling freshly after using this papaya facial. Okay, give a massage for 5 minutes. It will moisturize your skin, okay. This is the fruit facial, guys, so you can use any skin type, oily combination and dry skin people, you can use this facial. Dry skin people avoid lemon on this, so only papaya and honey mix together and apply into the skin, only for dry skin people, okay. Dry skin people do not use lemon, don't use any facials with lemon, okay. Please like my videos, guys. Okay, in this papaya antioxidants levels very highly, so use this papaya facial if available the papayas. Okay, this is the season for papayas, so you can use this papaya facial. You can try this papaya facial for glowing and wrinkle free skin. Okay, my massage was completed. Now wait for 5 minutes. Okay, only 5 minutes, that's it. Don't drive after 5 minutes. Okay, now take a wet wipe and clean your face and neck. I see my skin very clean and clear, smoothly skin to this papaya facial. So if you also try this and tell me in the comments below if this works or not. Okay, now next, gram flour 1 spoon and add into the papaya paste. Okay, now take 1 spoon of milk and add into this mixture, and now take 1 spoon of curd. Okay, add into this mixture. Okay, now take the lemon juice. Okay, 1 spoon, it should be 1 spoon. So add into this mixture. Please subscribe my channel, guys. If you like this video, please give a like. Okay, and add 1 spoon of chandan powder, sandalwood powder. Okay, then mix all ingredients well, like so. This is very lengthy video, guys, so I cut it and uploaded recently for 4 parts, this papaya facial. Okay, please check my other videos and icons. I give in the link on description bar below. Please check that also. Please like all my videos. Okay, now take this paste and apply on your face and neck, like upward direction, like so. Okay, this is for not only face pack, you can apply your whole body also. You will get smooth, clear and clean skin for glowing also. Please give any suggestions or support me, my channel. Let me comment it below. Please be commented how you feel about my videos. Please share my videos, guys, and also subscribe my channel. Please give a big thumbs up on my videos. Okay, now applying completed face pack. Now wait for 5 minutes until it will dry after face wash. Okay, now 10 minutes over. Okay, I'm going to wash my face. Bye. Okay, after seeing my face wash, this is my glowing skin, Okay, you reduce dark spots, okay, darkness of my neck area. So see the result of this face pack, this facial. So if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys.